Okay, hi, Stephen.
Hi.
Hi, so why network marketing?
Well, network marketing is a word of mouth way to distribute products. Max's products are not products that you could just find on the shelf. They don't do something that other products do. They have a unique message scientifically. Of course, it's all patented. And what they actually do in the human cell, the mammal cell, and in the body, nothing else can do. We have patents that protect our technology. And network marketing, I couldn't rely on a store clerk who knows nothing of the science, knows nothing of the human experience with the product. There's no way I could put what we have in their hands and expect them to promote it to people. Typically, store clerks promote what their managers tell them to promote based on advertising allowances and co-op advertising and so on. So I couldn't relegate the product to a retail distribution model. I couldn't do it in our normal television model that I'd done Total Gym and the other companies that I've launched, because there were so many facets that would have to be explained. I was just concerned that I could never really do it justice through television marketing, which is how I marketed most of my brands that we've created, like Total Gym and cosmetic companies that Cher and other celebrities represented for us. And I had invested in a friend's company, and I saw the power. His little company grew from literally a couple thousand distributors to over 2 million in a few years. And I saw the power of word of mouth, and I thought, we've got a product, and now we've got a group of products that make a noticeable difference almost overnight. And I thought the word of mouth will be on this better than any product that's ever been out there. And so the only marketing model that would work for word of mouth is network marketing. So that's why we went into network marketing. And it turned out to be a really good decision.